Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a little bonus video this week, which is an unboxing. I know you guys have recently told me that you'd be interested, so here it is. I recently did purchase the Luxe Wallet, and I am so excited to start using this and unbox it with you and see my impression, and then I'll use it long term and just tell you guys another video in the future, like how it held up and how I like it. So here is this beautiful little example of what I'm getting. And then it also came with some envelopes here and some trackers. But I'm not going to be using these envelopes because I did make my own. But this is what it comes with. I just wanted to show you guys. So these three envelopes, they have like a metal zipper. So I might use it for like change, maybe just this one for like my change and stuff. I don't know, but the wallet should have a zipper for change, but like we're doing the unboxing, we'll see. And then these budget sheets that it came with as well. Those are cute. Okay, and then the Luxe Wallet. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, guys. I've been wanting a new wallet for a little bit just because I like, as you'll see on this channel, I'm all about new things, change. I'm always switching things up. I'm never like at one using just one thing all the time. I'm always trying to change things just to keep it exciting, you know, make me still motivated. So here is that wallet. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. I got the pink champagne color. So here is the pretty wallet. It's that pink color. Then on the back it has this pocket. I think I could actually fit my phone in here, so that would be kind of nice. Just to have everything in one. And then we open it up. Ready? Oh my goodness, guys. It's so pretty. So I'll take out all these extra things. And then I'll take out these. Oops. Didn't work like I thought it would. There we go. Okay, so here is this beautiful wallet. It has a pen holder and then a pocket for whatever you please. I might put paper in here and keep my pen here because in my previous wallet I do currently have the Moterm planner. And I can't tell you how thankful I am that it had the pen and the paper because I always used it. So I'm super thankful for that. Then I have the zipper here. There's that. And then it does have, if you guys can see, some things from all my cards and an extra pocket back here. See, so it does have the zipper for the change. So I won't need an extra envelope for that. And then that is this beautiful wallet. I did make my own envelopes, so let me show you guys those. Okay, so I did make my own envelopes, guys, and I'm so happy. They are so cute. I have been looking for this design, like a sunflower themed design, and I finally came across some, and I'm so happy. So this is my daughter's spending envelope. My gasoline, groceries and food, spending, back to the bank, and then I do just have an extra one for miscellaneous things. I haven't labeled it because I don't know what I'm going to specifically use it for, but just miscellaneous things. So you guys are going to see me here hole punch them and put them in my new wallet. I'm so happy. Okay, so I believe that this hole punch is 8. Yep, it is. Okay, so I'm just going to move my wallet over and I'm going to hole punch these really quick. Okay, so you can see I hole punched it right through the the actual envelope itself, because I've just seen people do this and I think it's so cute, and it saves a lot of lamination room, because I noticed when I actually use the lamination as the hole punch area, it just is annoying to like flip the envelopes and stuff. So I'm just gonna do that to all of them real quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did hole punch them all. They are all have their little hole punch at the bottom. So I'm gonna take my wallet now. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna put all these in here. Okay, so we'll put this one back to the bank, spending, groceries and food, gasoline, and my daughter's spending. Look how cute, guys. Oh my goodness, I can't tell you how beyond happy I am with this new how it turned out. Okay. So all my envelopes are in, and now we can start moving all my stuff from my other wallet into this one, so I'll be right back. Okay, I have my wallet here, so let me just start taking stuff out. I won't show you me actually taking the stuff out because I do have some personal information. Okay, so this is my daughter's envelope, and she did get an extra 5, so 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I will just move everything that I currently have for this week's spending into our envelopes. Look how cute that is, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Okay, gasoline. Still has 50, but of course I am filming this on a Sunday, so I have until Wednesday. My spending goes from a Thursday to a Wednesday. Then groceries and food has 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, $21 in there still. And I did start the week off with 80. It started last Thursday, so that's how much I have left for groceries. And then spending has 5, 10, 11, 12, $13. I did spend that as well, some of that. Okay, spending's done, and I actually do have money to deposit, so I'll be putting money in here. Okay, so I have a whole bunch here. I don't think I'm going to count it, but I do need to go put this all back into the bank. So I'll put that in here. I'll deposit that today. So that's done. And then this is just my miscellaneous. I don't have anything for that yet. So we will just see. That's cute, guys. Look at that. Oh, I'm so happy with how this turned out. It's just so pretty to me. I hope you guys like it too, but okay, and then I have some change to put. Oh, I have a lot. So I like to keep some change on me, because when it's like just a little bit of change to round up so that I don't have to. So basically, let's say it's $7.57. Well, I'll give him the 57 so that I can get back a whole dollar, if that makes sense. So I don't get back more change. So I do like to have some change on me for that reason. So I'll just put some in here. Well, actually, yeah, I'll put it in. Okay. And then I still have a lot more in there, so I'll just put that into my jar. I just don't want the change to like make it too fat. Okay, and then I do have some gift cards I'll put away. Okay, so I have this one for Mother's Day. I'll put these in here. I have some Walmart, more Walmart ones, and then I have memberships, more gift cards, I'll put all my gift cards like down here. Okay, And then I do have like my ID and some other information with my name on it, so I'm not going to put those in. I'll put those in off camera. So then I am going to put my pen in here. My favorite pen of all time. It's Papermate Inkjoy gel pen in the 0.7. So I'm just going to put that in here. Okay, and then I'm going to possibly put some paper. I might put a few of the paper I had in my previous. So I think I'll put, let's see if this fits. And it fits. Oh my gosh. That's perfect. Okay, so I'm actually just going to leave this paper then, so that if I ever need to write notes or jot anything down, I can. Okay, and that is it, guys. I really hope you guys like it and enjoy it. I can't tell you how happy I am with this new wallet. Let's zip her up. Look, that fits perfect. Alright, well that'll be it for this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. So far I'm impressed with the quality of this wallet, and I'll tell you long term how it functions for me. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!